Guys, I'm back again here. So it's Friday night here, and I was thought that it's nothing fancy. We're gonna get some groceries at Walmart, but my husband surprised me with this. Yes, he said it's my birthday, but it's not. My birthday is February. It's done already, but he surprised me with this. He said that I can use it for my blogging. So thank you so much to my husband for it. So today we're gonna do some unboxing of this MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's a 2018 model. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys and see it. So let's do it. It's still unsealed.
It's still unsealed, and I will open it in front of you guys. So let's do this. Yes, sorry about my nails. Lazy. And I just put my eyebrows on and some concealer, and that's good because it's Friday here. Nothing fancy. We're just staying in the house, so I don't need to go anywhere. I don't put makeup while I'm in the house. So here's it. I'm gonna open it for you guys. It's a MacBook Pro 13-inch, space gray, and it says here that 13.3-inch diagonal retina lit backlit display with 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. And Intel Iris Plus graphics 640 earphone jack stereo speakers and 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports support. So, let's see. Gonna open it. Good guys, here. So here's it. The box. It's come with the charger, the USB port, and here is the charger here. You can plug this. It's a good thing because the old MacBook Pro, they have a longer cord, but this one is not, which is good. I like it. And it comes with this Apple Card. Yeah, by the way, I registered this laptop because I'm traveling a lot. You don't know if it's it accidentally happened, so I enrolled for 3 years warranty Apple Care. So they said that Apple Care, it works for international. So let's try it. And has a 1-year warranty. So here is it, guys. Now open it here. First to you guys. So here is it. Yeah, we open it. Oh, it smells so good. I know. Ooh, yeah. It's playing already. Getting ready. So here's it, guys. Yeah, let's see. How's it? Space. I choose a space gray because if I choose silver, it's easy to see the scratch. But this one in space gray. I'm planning to buy a case in this also, so at least it will not scratch in the bottom and the upper and then the screen. So
Kaya ko pala pinili yung 13-inch kasi portable siya pag nagta-travel ka. Ayaw ko ng malaking screen kasi pag nagta-travel ka, for example, uwi ako ng Pilipinas, naka-backpack lang ako. And then of course, nilalagay ko lang siya sa hand carry sa backpack ko. So it's easy for me to take in and take out kasi sa mga security kasi sa airport, kailangan mo ilabas yung mga laptop mo. So ito na pinili ko kasi maliit, very accessible siya pag tanggalin or saka ibalik sa backpack pa. So ayan, yun yung aking kinuha. So okay guys, I'm gonna share it to you guys, and then let's see how it works, and finally I can have a laptop to edit my video because you know guys, my video is very low. Ang pangit as in. So ito na siya guys. Birthday gift ng asawa ko kahit March na. Ang birthday ko February pa, pero sabi niya birthday ko daw sa buong taon. Diba, saan ka na? So thank you guys. So iCloud not set up. There was a problem. Contact the iCloud later system preference application. So thank you guys for joining me to unboxing my first MacBook Pro laptop. So hopefully I'm gonna learn more of this laptop, and I know how I will learn more how to edit. And so thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye guys.